guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today is going to be very special because I'm going to do three things. First up, I'm going to unbox a Marvel haul. All of the items I'll be showing you are from Marvel, and I was able to get everything for a little over 10,000 pesos or $200. Number two, I'm going to show you an amazing exhibit held by Marvel and SM for Marvel at 80. Marvel is actually 80 years old, guys. 80 years of amazing stories, games, and movies, and you will be able to experience that at the booth and at the exhibit that they have over at SM City, the block, as that's SM North, okay? And lastly, I'm going to announce a new kick-ass raffle that will have all of you Marvel fans so psyched up that I'm sure all of you will join. Let's go. Now, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We do constant giveaways on this channel, and I'm adding another one to the giveaway list that we have that's ongoing. For today, make sure that you watch until the very end of the vlog, because believe me when I say that the prize I have for you is something that's just crazy amazing. So let's get started with the haul. And being primarily a sneaker channel, guys, I couldn't pass up the opportunity to cop these amazing Spiderman sneakers that I'm about to show you. So both sneakers were actually available over at the Marvel at 80 booth over at SM North EDSA, the block. So we'll check them out one by one. So these sneakers are actually inspired a lot by more popular sneakers, and you'll see what I mean when I pop the box open. So as you guys can see, it comes in this Marvel Spider-Man box with Spidey over here. You have the details of the shoe. It just says white and red. But if you pop it open, you guys will know what I mean when I talk about inspiration. This, if I were to name it, is the Jordan 3 Spider-Man. And you can see the stunning resemblance of the Jordan 3 silhouette with this particular shoe. To give you guys better context, let me get a Jordan 3 sneaker. This is a Jordan 3 that was customized by Sabotage over at Singapore. I think they did it in partnership with Titan. So if you guys can take a look at that side by side, you can immediately tell the similarities. But wait, there's more. If you thought the Amazing Spider-Man Jordan 3 was cool, wait until you guys see this. I know that a lot of you have been complaining that there are too many Yeezys coming out, but you ain't got nothing yet until you've seen this. This is the Amazing Spider-Man Yeezy. And what do I mean by Yeezy? Because if you take a look at the midsole, it is ridiculously familiar. It's basically the midsole of the Yeezy Boost 350 that we've seen with previous shoes. If you take a look at the bottom, it even has like some sort of boost thing that's made out of plastic. It's just kind of cute. The upper is actually very similar to the upper that was used with the previous sneaker that I talked about. So it's like you got a Jordan 3 and married it with a Yeezy. Now, apart from the Spider-Man sneakers and slippers, you should be able also to find a lot of Marvel apparel available at the PopUp store. They have a partnership right now with SM, wherein SM is doing a lot of logo tees, logo jackets, logo hoodies, which is all the rage these days. So make sure that you guys check out all the apparel for kids and for adults as well. Now, apart from the apparel, they also have an amazing selection of Marvel at 80 toys. So these are toys and collectibles that was just released in time for the 80-year anniversary of Marvel. And the one that I picked up is this really cool looking Iron Man Mark 50 with the Spider-Man toy from Avengers Infinity War. So you have Iron Man Mark 50 and you have the Iron Spider over here. So of course, the Iron Spider has those hooks or those claws or whatever you want to call it that stretch out from his back. And for the Mark 50, this is the one that's nanotechnology inspired, which allows Iron Man to do a lot of crazy things with his armor. Be it cannons transforming on his hands, or beam blasters that appear out of nowhere, or swords and blades and what have you. So if you take a look at the back of the box, it actually has the poster of Avengers Infinity War, and you have a write-up on Iron Man as well as Iron Spider. So the figures here are two. So you have Iron Man, you have Iron Spider, and it sells for 2,799 pesos. Again, this is a limited edition toy, Marvel at 80, Iron Man Mark 50, Iron Spider. Now, there are a lot more of toys that you guys can check over there. ranging from classics such as the X-Men to more contemporary ones such as this. They have multiple sets. I'm sure you guys will just have a blast taking a look at all of the Marvel collectibles and toys that you can see over at the pop-up store. They even have like a great selection of Marvel Funko Pops that you may want to consider checking out, especially if you are a Funko Pop collector. Of course, being a Marvel Infinity War fan, I couldn't pass up the opportunity to double up on the Infinity Gauntlet. So guys, this is the Avengers Endgame Power Gauntlet in red. So this is the gauntlet I think that the Hulk used, as well as Thanos tried to put on at the latter part of Avengers Endgame, which eventually Iron Man was able to get using his nanotech and put out his own hand and gauntlet and snap the bad guys away. So this one is basically the red one that I have over there at the back. So you're probably thinking, Carlo, why did you get an extra Infinity Gauntlet if you already have one? That's a great question. The answer is, this is going to one of you. Actually, this and the two Spiderman sneakers that I showed earlier will go to, well, let's throw in the toys. Everything that I just showed you guys, from this Infinity Gauntlet to the Iron Man 50, Mark 50, and the Iron Spider toy, plus the two Spider-Man sneakers will go to one lucky person. The mechanics of which I will talk about at the end of the video, so make sure that you guys stay until the very end. Again, I will be raffling off this amazing, incredible, epic Power Gauntlet Legend Series. This sells for like almost 7,000 pesos, guys. And it will look friggin' amazing in your wall, in your home, in your office, wherever it is you want to put this bad boy to display. So that was the first part where I shared with you my haul from the Marvel at 80 pop-up, which is happening right now at SM North City, the block. So what can you expect over there if you guys decide to drop by? Several things. First up, they have an amazing comic book display. So they basically took some of the most iconic comic book covers and then they made an exhibit. So if you enter it, look left, look right, you are just bombarded with so many images of the classic covers, including one of my all-time favorites, which is of course the Infinity Gauntlet cover. That brings just so many memories to me. I remember as a kid, I went on my way to SM North City together with my dad, and I bought that comic book, the first release here in the Philippines. It just brings back the kid in me, just looking at that cover and reminiscing of all of the great memories that I had with Marvel. Now, after that booth, there is actually a collectible and toy store just beside it, so you can buy all of the stuff that I mentioned here, from the shirts to the hoodies to the slippers to the sneakers to the collectibles, from Funko Pops to figures from Hasbro and Legend. I mean, it's just an amazing selection of Marvel collectibles that you guys can enjoy for yourself, for your kids, and for your family. But Marvel didn't stop there, and they really pulled out all the stops. They had a life-size display of several familiar Marvel characters. You have Doctor Strange in all of his glory. You have Captain America taking on Iron Man in that classic scene from Civil War. And you also had Black Panther in all of his dark, mysterious glory on the other side of the corner. They also had a pre-order ongoing for the new collection of Hot Toys. Those are 1/6 figures that you can buy from Marvel characters. They had the new Iron Man with the snapping finger thing. They had Stan Lee and a bunch of other characters. They also had a display, by the way, of the new Hot Toys Avengers Endgame figures. And lastly, they even had an amazing display of toy groups and toy collectors showing off what they were able to put together. The most amazing one that just blew my mind away was the Lego display. Somebody was actually able to put together a Lego Infinity Gauntlet, and man oh man, I wanted to break that glass and bring that with me because it also lit up. They were also able to make like a Lego Iron Man heart, you know, that the core, the arc reactor that they had over here. It's just mind-blowing how you can make so much come to life with your imagination with Lego. So if you're free this weekend and you're a Marvel fan, if your family is a Marvel fan, if you have kids and they're Marvel fans, strongly recommend that you guys drop by, check it out, go through the collectibles, take a lot of pictures, especially with the giant figures and the giant comic book displays over there. It is just really an amazing experience. Huge shout out to SM Supermalls and Marvel for putting this together. Mind-blowing stuff, guys. Congratulations, and I'm really happy and proud to be a Marvel fan. Which leads me to our mechanics for our giveaway for the Power Gauntlet that we have over here and all the toys and sneakers that I just showed you. The mechanics are simple. Number one, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The subscribe button can be found down below. Make sure that you hit the notification bell as well. Number two, give this a thumbs up. So don't do like a physical thumbs up while watching me. There is a thumbs up button down there. It's like the like button. Hit that, make that blue, and show some love for this video. Number three, copy the link and then share it on Facebook so that your friends can see what is happening over at SM North City EDSA for the Marvel at 80 display and exhibit, so they can also be part of the giveaway. And lastly, the only thing you have to do next is to leave a comment down below and share with everybody who your favorite Marvel superhero or villain is and why. Also include your Instagram handle. I will be drawing the winner on September 16, so that's roughly 3 weeks from now. So make sure that you guys follow the mechanics so you can be part of that giveaway. And speaking of giveaways, we have 3 ongoing giveaways right now. Actually 4. We have a Jordan 4 bread giveaway. We have Under Armour HOVR sneakers giveaway. We have a JBL Tune Sound wireless earphones giveaway. And we have a 2,000 peso audio mystery box from Poundit that I'm also giving away. All the details of those 4 giveaways can be found down below in the description box. But the prerequisite is you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel, you have to follow me on Instagram, and you have to join our Facebook community. Again, all of the links down below. And lastly guys, if you weren't able to catch my unboxing of these 2 amazing Adidas Marvel sneakers, please do check it out. I will put the link down below. This is the Captain Marvel Adidas A4M or AM4 sneaker. So it's an excellent running sneaker inspired by Captain Marvel. And the other sneaker is actually more apt for today because this is the Marvel Adidas Thanos sneaker. Yes, the Mad Titan himself actually has a signature running sneaker from the Three Stripes brand, Adidas. If you want to know more about both sneakers, again, the link to the unboxing that I did can be found down below. And to wrap up our vlog, we have our daily Power Up Words of Wisdom. And joining me for today is another Filipino Filipino YouTuber. Her name is Teacher Laika. She has an amazing channel of how-tos, tutorials, and a bunch of other educational stuff that you guys should definitely check out. And for today's vlog, she's going to talk about the value of trying hard. Take it away, Laika.
Hi guys! So I am a fellow viewer ng channel ni Sir Carlo like you guys, and maybe I just want to share this one thing to you. Sa Team Laika, my channel, we always say this: it's not bad to be called trying hard. Kasi yung trying hard, di ba, most people use that as a derogatory term. Sasabihin nila, ay, parang trying hard yan sa math or trying hard yan mag-English kasi nabubulol. They say it like it's a bad thing, but it's not a bad thing. I think what's worse is not trying at all. So I'd rather you be trying hard, be called trying hard, that there's no shame in that. Ang importante, you have a dream, di ba? So I say then, dream high, work hard, start now, and never stop learning. So I guess that's it. Thanks. Hi there, my name is Laika Maravilla. My students call me Coach Laika. I make educational and motivational content on my channel. So if you want more of that, if you're trying for a college that you want to get into, a job that you want to get into, maybe that could help you guys, the links are down below. Thanks.
Thank you, Teacher Laika, for sharing your words of wisdom. Guys, check out her channel. The link down below. And that wraps up our vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you liked it. And I am excited to bring you more content in the coming days ahead. Up next, just so you know what you can expect, I'm actually going to share with you guys my review of the Samsung Galaxy A8, Black Pink Edition smartphone. So that should be coming later this week. I'm also going to do a mega unboxing featuring sneakers from Converse. The first Converse sneakers that I picked up for 2019, which is actually in collaboration with Neighborhood. Watch out for that. Oh, and together with that video, I'll also be doing a staycation review of one of the most expensive rooms that you can buy or that you can rent or check into over at Shangri-La Fort, which is their Club Horizon room. Almost 20,000 pesos per night. What? Crazy, right? So all of those vlogs you can expect in the next few days. That's it for now. As usual, peace, God bless, what's up? That's me, Thanos, snapping all the haters. Boom.